Hello, 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 hello. Family, I have a little short story to tell you today. I have to tell you the most surprising part of this transition hasn't just been about the glow. My skin actually feels soft again. And my energy is just not stable. It's not just stable. My energy is increasing every single day. I wake up every morning ready to go. So if you're over 60 and you feel like your battery is always at 20%, this Melon blend is the recharge that you've been looking for. This Melon blend is the recharge that you have been looking for. So come on and join me, you all. I'm telling you, I'm excited. I'm excited. This is my glow up juice. This is my glow up juice. Yes, it is. Grand Rising family. Are you ready to wake up your personality and get that internal glow? Are you? Let me know. Are you? So today in my laboratory, we are rebuilding from the inside out with a juice that my skin absolutely loves. It loves it. If you feel your complexion has been a little off, this is for you. This is for you, for you, for you. Welcome. Thank you all so much. I promise you, this is a powerful juice. I love it. You know, I talk about my glow up juice and I talk about my lemon ginger blast. I'm telling you guys, these are powerhouse juices. So today I have 1 honeydew, 2 cantaloupes, and 1 pineapple. Y'all already know it. You already know it. And I just keep juicing it. I just keep drinking it. Juicing and drinking. Juicing and drinking. Come on. Yo, you got to do it. The cantaloupe. You see this cantaloupe right here? Full of beta carotene. For the skin cell production. Vital for that youthful look. We're all keeping in our 60s and beyond. Come on and join me. Yes. This honeydew focuses on vitamin C. And it's the glue that keeps everything firm. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, you got to do it. And this pineapple, with all the inflammation that we have running around in our bodies, this is what goes in and attacks that inflammation. This is our natural anti-inflammatory hero, the pineapple. Oh my gosh, I'm excited, y'all. I'm so excited. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna calm down. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to the newcomers. I thank you so much. Thank you to all of you who are supporting the channel. And I actually right now, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Send me a comment. And most of all, share this information with your family and friends. Share this information with your family and friends, you guys. And we're going to get this thing going. We are going to get it to rolling around. I already have some cantaloupe, honeydew, and pineapple already in here. Oh, yeah. And I can't wait to taste it myself. While that is going, I'm going to encourage you to drink plenty of water and infuse your water with fruits, with vegetables. Infuse it. And that creates H3O too. Absolutely. And here I have today okra water. I'm drinking my okra water I Cherish Church, okra water. Queen's Alchemy, okra water. Oh my gosh, listen to that, y'all. Oh, it's such power. Such power. And somebody questioned that eating melons by themselves. You can mix your melons together. You can mix your melons together. It's okay. I know they say eat melons solo, but you can mix your melons. But this juice right here, this specific glow up protocol, these three are a powerhouse team. That's all I can say. They are a powerhouse team. And you want them on your side. You want them on your side. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You want them on your side. Oh my goodness. I love it, y'all. I love it. 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 Yes, I do. Oh my goodness. So you all, if you are joining us in the SOS free, SOSFA free challenge, comment in the section. You'll be glad you did. I promise you. Somebody sent me a comment and they sent the comment and said they were 3 days in and they why y'all didn't remind me? Oh my goodness, I'm about to lose all my juice. They were 3 days in and realized that going SOSFA free wasn't bad. They're enjoying it. You all, I promise you, I'm telling you, they are enjoying SOSFA free. Your body will love it. Absolutely. Your body will love it. And then she said she's doing the SOS free. And then she's going to do 10 days on the juice fast. And she said if she can go further, but she is committing to 10 days. Look, that's all I can ask for. If you commit to 10 days, good. She said when she get to that 10th day and she feel like she can go further, she's going to go further. So I'm telling you, it's a challenge, and our bodies will love us. Our bodies will love us for making these changes in our lives. You guys, I promise you. So if you are on the road with us of rebuilding from the inside out, and you're doing this SOS free challenge, please put it in the comment section. I would love to hear that. I really would. Absolutely. Y'all, this looks so good. And it smells good too. Yes, it does. Looks good and it smells good. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. Again, I'm going to encourage you. Please move. Move, move, move. I'm going to get some more exercise videos out soon. I'm going to get them out soon. Y'all, the gardening is calling me. So I'm going to get some more exercise videos out. I did walking videos last week. Yeah, last week. So we're going to get some more. But I encourage you, each one of you, to move. Make sure you are moving. Make sure you are moving. That is so important. Yes, it is. I think we can get all of this in here. Move, sit down, do the chair exercises. Go back and pull one of the old videos up that I did a couple of months ago and do those exercises. Movement equals improvement. Yes. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Okay. You all, your body is going to love you. We are making these changes, and you're going to see a great difference in your glow up. You're going to see a great difference in your energy level as your body begins shifting. As your body begins shifting. You know why the juicing is so important? It's because you're getting all of the enzymes from these juices as going into your body, and that's the key. All of your vitamins, your minerals, what else? Vitamins, minerals, and what else? You know, what else in this stuff? Vitamins, minerals, nutrients. And the nutrients from this juice going straight into your cellular level, going straight into your bloodstream. And how powerful is that? I'm telling you. I am telling you. All right, I think we are done. I think we are done. So here's the challenge. Here's the challenge, y'all. Here is the challenge. I want my rebuilding team. I want my rebuilding from the inside out team to try 7 days. 7 days. Try 7 days straight. This is what you're going to do. And this, this is on this day, which is Monday. I want you to try 7 days. So what we want you to do, Wednesday, I want to give you a day to get your stuff. Go get your cantaloupe, your honeydew, your pineapple. And we're going to start Wednesday doing the 7-day challenge of glow up. I am calling it the 7-day Melon Glow Challenge. The 7-day Melon Glow Challenge. I want you to join me. My rebuilding team, join me. So we're going to drink at least 16 to 32 ounces each morning. And then we're going to talk about those energy levels as they build. I want you to talk about your energy levels in the comments. Now, don't forget to tell me what your number one glow up ingredient. I want to know what that is. Yes, I do. Your number one glow up ingredient in this juice. Absolutely. So, my glow up team, my rebuilding team, come on. Let's do it. Let's do this glow up challenge. Starting Wednesday, March the 6th. I think that's the 6th. Today, yeah, because today is the 4th, 5th, 6th, yeah. March the 6th. So if you're going to join me on this 7-day challenge, put it in the comments. Put it in the comments. We're ready. It is all in line with what we're already doing. Come on. It's no different. It's no different. I promise you. I promise you it's no different. Y'all, this smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And I feel the energy from it. You all gotta try this. I feel the energy from it already. Okay, so let's put some in my glass so you all can have some as well. Yes. Oh, smells so good. So good, so good, so good. So let's see if we can maybe pour the rest of it in here. All the way up to the top. As far as we can get it. Ooh, all righty. All the way to the top. Lids. All right. So I got 3 quarts of juice out of 2 cantaloupes, 1 honeydew, and 1 pineapple. 3 quarts. Maybe 3.5 quarts. Because I think that glass, this holds 16 ounces. Look, cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers to your glow up. Cheers to your glow up. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, y'all gotta try this. Y'all got to try this. Cheers again, cheers again, cheers again. Thank you all so much for joining me today. And look, another powerhouse juice. What can I say? My glow up juice. My glow up juice. So thank you. Join me in this 7-day glow up challenge. It is called the 7-day Melon Glow Challenge. Join the glow challenge, y'all. Join the glow challenge. Do it. And look, I'm going to add this to it. Join the energy challenge because you're going to have lots of energy. Lots of energy. I love you guys so much. Thank you again. And I ask you to reach out and touch somebody, encourage them to come on over and join Get Healthy Now Mastery. Come on over. I'm still in the challenge. I'm still setting my goal, 5,000 subscribers by June the 1st. We moved it to June the 1st. We keep going. We don't stop. So I'm asking you all to tune in and help me to reach 5,000 subscribers. And even when we reach 5,000, we're going to continue to reach out. The goal is to change the health of this world, the health and wealth, to make a difference in the health and wealth of this world, in the lives of people of this world. And I thank you again for being with me today. And on that note, we'll see you in the next video. Peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and glow up. Glow up, glow up, glow up.